Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove eye dark circle in Photoshop. First, we go to the layer panel and background layer copy. Then go to the image menu. Adjust to desaturate. Go to the filter menu. Click on the others to high pass. Radius 20. Normal to overlay. And create a new layer. Select background layer copy. Then go to the layer menu. Click on the clipping mask and select a transparent layer and choose brush tool. Follow 10. Hold Alt key, select sample color. Now we remove dark circle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.